class. How are you? I hope you are doing great. You're welcome to Strategy and Capacity Development class with Venerable Izuchukwu B.C Obiekwe. For our discussion today, we shall be looking at the Fallow Farmlands. The Fallow Farmlands. The word fallow means or has to do with being uncultivated, unplowed, untilled, unplanted, unsown, unseeded, undeveloped, dormant, empty, virgin, neglected, unintended, unmaintained, unmanaged, and untrained. These are the words that will help us understand what we mean by fallow. And farmland has to do with a place that needs to be cultivated, where seeds are planted and seeds are expected to grow and bear fruit. A situation where a farmland is left fallow means that that farmland is either ignored, uncultivated, abandoned, neglected, untrained, undeveloped, and by so doing it grows bushy and produces unexpected fruits and results. So when a farmland is left fallow, it could be for two reasons: either to leave it so as to develop more manure and become more fruitful, or that it's actually abandoned intentionally. So we are interested in our youth, our young people as the farmlands. Our young people, the youths, are the future of our generation or of any society. And a situation where they are left on fallow and uncultivated, they produce thorns and thistles. They will not give us the expected dividend. Our youth, our young people need to be given attention. They are the future of the world, of human race, of every nation, of every tribe, of every generation and organization. Any organization that fails to give attention to our youth is preparing for doom, something that will not help that society in future. Our youth as the fallow farmlands, according to United Nations statistics, are those ones that are between the ages of 15, about 15 and not more than 24 downwards. They are the ones, and some society recognizes them from 18 to 30. So between 15 to 30 years are the youths that are expected to take over from the adults in future. And if they are not planted, if nothing is planted into them, if nothing is shown, if they are left uncultivated, untrained, and undeveloped, that will not better any society. Strategically, the society will lose, and capacity-wise, the young people will become a menace. For instance, in the present day Nigeria, we are talking about the Almajiris. These Almajiris are young ones left fallow, undeveloped, uncared for. Reasonable attention is not given to them. Quality attention is not given to them. And today, the society is struggling to harness them and get them engaged fruitfully. Therefore, it's better to start early. It is said that a child needs to be trained even from infancy, so that when he grows old, he will not depart from the training that child has received. And that training helps that child in his youthfulness and becoming or attaining manhood or maturity. The extent and level of fruitfulness or productiveness of any youth around anyone or around us it is determined by what is planted in that youth. And oftentimes, youths who attain their age, the age of fruitfulness, if not well cared for, doesn't give the expected result. We need to plant in them. Most of our young people have still have virgin minds and virgin hearts that needs to be planted, needs to be cultivated, needs to be trained. People who need to be intentionally trained. Organizations, establishments, even the church will need to consciously train them. That's why we have schools. Our schools should be where humanity is produced, refined and reformed, trained, cultivated and developed. They need our maximum attention and the best. It is the best planted in them that will be reaped in the near future. And so our youths at the moment are still not given the attention they deserve, the best they deserve, the maximum attention, the quality attention they deserve. And we need to consciously do that. Let's not ignore them. Let's not overlook them. Let's do our best to develop them while there is still time. Let's make haste while the sun shines, because when it is dark, we will miss the mark, or the result will be missing. Thank you for listening. See you again in